A modular design, a flexible dispensing system, and a re-engineered solution. This is NSW DPC. Unleash the full potential of your equipment with its micro-dispensing capabilities. It has the unmatched scalability and best ROI for you to unlock limitless potential. Our 4-inch interactive touchscreen is user-friendly and designed for effortless setup and operation. Safety is a priority, and EMO can be wired for emergency termination. It comes with RS-232 and D-sub connection for seamless I/O trigger. Armed with higher dynamic frequency dispensing support, the revamped valve design delivers near instantaneous fluid output, making delay a thing of the past. Our DPC app allows parameter configuration directly on your PC without the needs of touchscreen controls. Manage recipes and create custom presets to save time. Innovative modular design. The versatile modular design allows you to exchange PCU units with unlimited possibilities. Creatively attach and detach modules, save time and improve productivity like never before. Experience the DPC's dispensing capability on the NSW S350 or as standalone operation. Introducing NSW DPC. Unlock micro-dispensing on your hardware.